The VEVOR 15L Ultrasonic Cleaner delivers strong cleaning performance with a 40 kHz frequency that reaches into tiny crevices on tools and jewelry. Its bank of 6 modern transducers provides even, consistent cavitation, so heavily soiled industrial parts come out noticeably cleaner than with basic hobby units. The stainless steel tank and outer housing feels solid and durable, giving confidence that the machine can handle regular workshop or lab use without wearing out quickly. A generous 15-liter capacity with a matching basket makes it practical for cleaning multiple wrenches, dental instruments, or batches of small components in a single cycle. The digital control panel allows precise adjustment of cleaning time and bath temperature, making it easy to dial in gentle cycles for delicate items or more aggressive runs for greasy hardware. Beyond home and hobby use, this cleaner is well suited for professional environments such as repair shops, optometry offices, and electronics benches where reliable, repeatable cleaning is essential.